Another big mover in today's session is Disney, up 12% following better than expected earnings. And that report finally made our next guest a buyer after having had a hold on the stock for the past 5 years. Needham's Laura Martin joins us now with Why Now? Hi, Laura. Good to have you with us.
Nice to see you. How are you, Tyler?
Fantastic. You are always clear and to the point. So get there on why you switched your view on Disney and have now become a buyer.
3 key points. 1, their cost savings is going to be above $7.5 billion. 2, streaming lowered the loss by $300 million in the last 90 days and by $800 million year over year. And they're going to hit profitability in about 6 months. And then they said over the next 3 years, they're going to add about $1 billion of operating income per year extra, which means it basically offsets all the linear operating income decline. So we're going to have really structurally growing EPS here for the first time in a long time.
What have they done right in the streaming area that's going to puts them on the path to profitability or free cash flow profitability by later this year? What have they done?
Prices raised last October. They're going to do password sharing crackdown just following in Netflix footsteps. They've done a deal with Charter where suddenly they're going to add like 7 million new Charter subscribers in the current quarter we're in now, which is the March quarter. And they said they probably are going to do similar deals with Comcast and with Altice, which actually not only grows revenue, but it also lowers churn. So all of those things really help. And they've cut content costs a lot because this company was overproducing content, as were all the streamers. So Netflix is profitable today. Disney's about to be the second profitable streaming company.
Let's talk about the news from earlier this week, and that is the sports joint venture with Warner Brothers and Fox. What does this do, and what does it signal about the business?
So I think what it says is that, as you probably know, both Fox and Warner do not have any of their linear sports channels on a streaming service. So Disney's going to be sort of the anchor tenant because it has its channels on ESPN Plus already. And it's going to have this new, we think they represent about 70% of total sort of U.S. premium sports. So it's going to allow sports enthusiasts to turn off and turn on for seasons at a time, because you can turn off every month. You're not locked into a 1-year contract, and have a lot of sports streaming, which a lot of young consumers prefer streaming to. They don't want a linear TV bundle.
Yeah, and you talked a moment ago about deals that they're going to do or have done with Charter. You expect something with Comcast. Are these traditional linear bundle deals or streaming deals with those companies?
So the way Charter's deal works is if they launch an ESPN app, it becomes part of the Charter bundle, so Charter isn't disadvantaged. But for that, they got a fee for every Charter subscriber, like overnight. So that's why they're adding 7 million subscribers on this premium tier for Charter, sort of overnight at a wholesale rate. So it's a discounted rate compared to what you and I pay, but that's still a good deal because you get the revenue like overnight, sort of in perpetuity, because those people don't churn.
Talk to me a little bit about this Epic Games deal that was announced, $1.5 billion. What does that do for Disney?
I think traditionally what's been the best thing about Disney is they target kids and they sort of try to bring you into their princess environment or into the Toy Story environment when you're 6, 7, 8, and then they try to hold on to you and create a lifetime value of consumer products and film and television subscriptions over your life. They are losing that as video games get more popular. The predominantly viewing done by young men 15 to 25 is on video games. So this is their play. They bought $1.5 billion of equity in Epic Games, which is the Fortnite creator. Fortnite will create a Disney universe for them. And so they have a competent video game maker now as a partner to sort of take some of their IP and put it in the video game universe to try to grab young men.